Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today in this session we solve first unit test 2024-25 class 6 mathematics question paper in detail. So guys, are you ready? Then start the session. This is St. Joseph Girls High School, Cuttack, ICSE board. So first of all, you comment your score after see the session. So let's start the session. First question, question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Full mark 20 mark. Okay. Time 1 hour. Question number A. Minus 25 absolute value or mod plus 10 equal to dash. We know that absolute value of any number. Suppose plus 7 absolute value is equal to only 7. Similarly, minus 25 absolute value is 25, yes or no, plus 10, so that is 25 plus 10 35. So correct answer is 35. Okay, now next question. 3 by 5 of 1 rupee equal to dash paisa. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, yes or no? So 3 by 5 of means into 100 paisa is equal to 5 2 ja 10 0 20 23 ja 60 paisa. Okay, the correct answer is 60. Now next question, question number C. The place value of 4 in dash, sorry, in 3.046. So that is place value means either you can write 0.04 or you can write 4 divided by how many places? Now 100 place, so that's right 100. Okay, then what is the place value of 3? The 3 is 3. Okay, suppose in number 435.02, here the place value of 3 is, normally you can find the place value of 3 is 30, but after the decimal how to find? You divide, that is place value of 2 is 2 by 100, and suppose place value of 9 is 9 by 1000. Understand? Now next question. 6 by 25 in decimal form is thus. We know that in decimal form means the denominator must be 10, either 1000, either 100, yes or no? So here is denominator is 25, then we multiply 4 in both sides, then the denominator equal to 100 and the numerator is 24. So 24 by 100 is equal to 0.24. Okay, now next question. Also you remember 4 pair is 25 and 2 pair is 5, because 2 5 are 10 and 25 4 are 100. Similarly 8 pair is 125, that is 1000, and 16 pair is 625. So you remember these 4 terms. Okay, now next question number 2. Arrange the following integer in descending order. Okay, descending means bigger to smaller. First we write the positive number, biggest positive number, that is 31. Next 6, next 0, then the negative, smallest negative number, that is 11, sorry, minus 4, then 11, sorry, minus 11, minus 23, then minus 41. Okay, now next question, question number B. Arrange the following integer in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. So first we write the greatest negative number, that is minus 60, then minus 18, then minus 3, then 9, 11, then 23, then 74. Okay, this is the right answer. Now next question. Use the number line to find minus 6 minus minus 3. First we solve, that is minus 6 minus minus plus 3. Then draw a number line. Okay, this is the number line. This is 0 left side, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Okay, then -7. Here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. First you go to -6 from 0. So first we draw from 0 to -6. Okay, now place the arrow mark. Now go to +3 means right side. Here we are present, now we are present at -6. From -6 we go forward. So 1, 2, then 3. So correct answer is -3. Okay. Now next question. What should be added to 13 to get -13? According to questions, the question is, what should be added to 13, that is x is equal to -13. So first we write x is equal to -13. Here is 13. When go to the right side, then it becomes minus. So 13. So 30 -13 same sign. So same sign means we put the same sign and we add the number, that is 26. So -26. Okay. Now next question. Question number 5. Arrange the following fraction in descending order. So first we take LCM of the denominator, that is 3, 6, 9, 12 is how much? Now we find, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. So cancel by 3, 2. 2 3 ja, 2 6 ja, then carry 9 and 3. Then 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja. Okay, now again 3 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja 2. So 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36. So LCM is 36. So first we write the first fraction, that is 2 by 3. Then equal to, convert denominator into 36. So 2 into and 3 into 3 into dash is equal to 36. 12. So we multiply 12. So also multiply numerator with 12. So 12 2 ja 24. The first fraction becomes 24 by 36. Okay. The second fraction, that is 5 by 6 is equal to 5 into and 6 into 6 into 6 equal to 36. So also we multiply 6 in numerator. So that's why the answer is 30 by 36. Okay. Now again, the next fraction is 7 by 9. So 7 into and 9 into. So 9 into dash equal to 36. Now 4. So also multiply 4 with the numerator. So that's why the answer is 28 divided by 36. Again, the last one is 11 by 12. So multiply 11 into dash and 12 into dash. Now 3. So multiply 3 with numerator, that is 33 divided by 36. Now we can arrange descending order. Okay. So which one is greater? Now 33. So first we write down 33 by 36 greater than 30 by 36 greater than 28 by 36, then greater than 24 by 36. Now write the original fraction. That is 33 by 36. We write 11 by 12. Then we write 30 by 36 in place. That is 5 by 6. Then 7 by 9. Then 2 by 3. The answer is this. Understand? Now next question, question number 6. What should be added 9 whole 4 by 7 to get 16? Similarly, we can write, according to questions, we can write 9 whole 4 by 7 plus x is equal to 16. Now write x equal to how much? 16 minus 9 whole 4 by 7. So now write 16 minus 9, 7 just 63, 4 plus 4 that is 67 divided by 7. Now take LCM, the LCM is 7, 16, 7 ja. 16, 7 ja, 7, 6 ja 42, 7, 1, 11, that is 112 minus 67. So answer is 12, 5, here is 0, 10, 4, 45 by 7, that is 7, 6, 42, 3 by 7. The correct answer is 6 whole 3 by 7. Understand? Now next question, that is simplification. 6 whole 1 by 5, 6 whole 1 by 5 divide 3 whole 1 by 10 of 2 whole 1 by 2 divide 1 by 4. We know that first we solve bracket, then of, then division, multiplication and addition and subtraction. Okay, first we solve bracket, but here there is no bracket, then go to the of. So here is of the first we convert 6 5 ja 30, 131 by 5 divide 10 3 ja 30, 131 by 5, sorry 10, of means into 2 2 ja 4 5 by 2. Okay, now cancel 5 2 ja 10. So divide 1 by 4. Now we write 31 by 5 divide 31 divided by 4 divide 1 by 4. Okay, now 31 by 5 divide means we can convert it into, then it will be 4 by 31. Also here is next step kariba. So next the answer is 31 31 cancel. Now is 4 by 5 divide 1 by 4, then 4 by 5 into 4 by 1. So 16 divided by 5 equal to 5 3 ja 15, 1 by 5. The correct answer is 3 whole 1 by 5. Understand? Now next question, question number 7, sorry 8. 77.7 minus 7.55 minus 5.75. So first we solve first two decimal. Here is different sign. So subtract. So subtract, that is 77.7. Here is 7.55 and 5. So we subtract. Here is 0. Here is 0 because we convert into like decimal. So 0 5 5, here is 9 9 5 4 6 6 5 1.0, then 7. So we can write 70.145. Okay, then minus 5.77. Now also minus 5.77. So convert to like decimal. So minus again minus 5 minus 0 5, then 14 4 7, 0 10 3, then 9 9 5 4 6. The answer is 64.375. Okay, now next question, question number 9 is very important. The sum of two number is given. So first we write sum. So write down sum of two number is equal to how much? Now sum of two number is 34.02. 34.02, and the one number is 16.268. 16.268, that is one number. The other number write down other number is equal to sum minus one number, that is 34.02 minus 16.268. So subtract. So 34.02 minus 16.268. So here write 0 because like decimal. So 082 because 1082. Here is 1, 11 is 5. Here is 9, 9 to 7. Here is 3, 13, 7, 2, 2, 1, 1. That is 17.752. Okay, so therefore the other number is 17.752. Okay, now next question. There are 180 members of a committee in meeting. 3 by 10 of them were present. How many members are absent? Okay, so first part of member present. First write down parts of members present in meeting is equal to 3 by 10. Yes or no? Almost 3 by 10. Now write down part of member absent is equal to 1 minus 3 by 10. Now LCM 10, then 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 by 10. Okay. Now number of member. Now find the number of member were absent is equal to 7 by 10. Okay. 7 by 10 of 180. So write down 7 by 10 of means into 180. Now cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Then 18, 7 ja 7, 8 ja 56. 6 carry 5, 7 1 ja 7, 5 12. So answer is 126 member were absent. Okay, so write down therefore number of member were absent is 126. ओके सो कमेंट करो तुम केते स्कोर करिछ एग्जाम रे यदि वीडियो टी पसंद लगे देन वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिवो ओके यदि पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करियो चाहूछो देन व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रे जॉइन हेई पीडीएफ डाउनलोड कर परिवो ओके टिल देन थैंक यू।